Hi, my name is Steven Zielinski. I'm the Assistant General Manager here at Sun Outdoor San Diego Bay. Thank you for choosing us as your vacation destination. We look forward to seeing you. Our pet-friendly resort offers many amenities, including our RV sites. Our back-end sites are roughly 1,500 square feet. Our pull-through sites are roughly 2,500 square feet. We feature 2 dog parks and also our great activities team that keeps your children busy as well as the adults. These are our promenade cottages. We offer 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom cottages. A lot of people tend to rent the 1-bedrooms and the 2-bedrooms across from each other. You can have a communal area where they can enjoy dinner as a family. We also have our bayfront cottages, which have our decks on top of the roof so that you can get your great views of the bay. We have our poolside cabanas that you can rent for the day or for your stay that open up to our heated pool and spas. We have a 24-hour fitness center if you care to keep in shape. We have a game room if you wanted to shoot a game of pool. And also an arcade room for the kids to enjoy. And if you're up for an adult beverage, you can belly up to the bar poolside or inside of our Getaway Café. Whether you're checking in, booking a future reservation, or simply grabbing a snack, our Welcome Center offers 24-hour assistance from our ranger team as well as our guest service coordinators such as Paulina here.
Hi, my name is Paulina, one of the guest service coordinators, and we're happy to help.
What's great about our location is that everything that the surrounding cities have to offer are within minutes away. You'll find opportunities such as charter fishing, kayak tours, and also our downtown Chula Vista has many activities for your families to enjoy. We look forward to your stay at Sun Outdoor San Diego Bay, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.